Hi guys, today we're off to the Simply Land Rover show at Beaulieu Motor Museum. Come along with us. That's not a bush, it is actually a tractor. It's a bush tractor. Take that back, it wasn't a tractor, it was a classic car. I saw it as a tractor, but Scott, you know, whatever.
This settle all arguments about snorkels. It's not forwards, it's not backwards, it's sidewards.
Maybe they were indecisive.
Maybe, but clever.
Does anybody know what this handle does? Because I don't.
Alana, they found a car for you. By the way guys, this is my dream bike. I'll get Alana to pan to it now. Literally, the Suzuki Hayabusa. It was the fastest production motorbike that got developed. I think it was the first motorbike that did over 200 miles an hour on two wheels. I've always wanted to ride one, so if anyone's got one and wants to allow me to ride it, I have got my full bike license. I'd be much appreciated, thank you.
You would get scared going over 100 though.
I'll get scared going over 60, but it's my dream bike. And I'll be riding it, so I'll be happy.
Maybe ride as a passenger.
No, because that'll scare me even more. I'd like to have some element of control.
Oh wow, £7,699 new.
Yeah.
Just think what that must be worth now. Wowza. Pretty cool.
This is why I'm not a motorcycle rider and I look like the Michelin Man. There is no getting into them race overalls anytime soon.
Breathe in.
Roll up, everybody. Where would you like to go on holiday today? We're going Blackpool, Reel, Barmouth, Ascot races. Where would you like to go? 17 and 6, whatever that means. 16 and 9, 16.9, 16 foot 9, 16 foot 3, or 22 foot 6.
You've got to be very tall to go on those trips, haven't you?
Minimum height required.
Question for you. Are you having a really good day?
I'm having a really good day.
Oh, that's a good angle.
Oh.
I wish it was that cheap to service a car nowadays. Definitely not. Oh wow. Newport Pagnell as well.
Oh wow.
Steering was a bit small.
Where are we off to, driver Alana?
Somewhere dry and warm.
Somewhere dry and warm.
Sunny.
Beaulieu sounds good to me.
It does, doesn't it?
To the Motor Museum, please. Alana, you should really work on coming out of your shell.
Some of a short change when they brought this. They only got half a truck.
It was alright, it was 50% off. But we're going to take this video all the way to the red line.
I'm already despairing.
They put a sign up for me. It's very nice of them. Even Chitty Chitty Bang Bang is actually a Land Rover. Look, comes complete with oil leaks.
Oh, it's got a face on the front. I've never noticed that before.
He's called Morty.
The Stig, Alana, Alana, the Stig.
So that was Simply Land Rover 2024.
A really big thanks to everyone that's come over and said hi to us. It's been really great chatting to you.
It's been so cool. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button down below and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Oh, you seen the pregnancy?